Porsche German car, Porsche Cayman made in Finland, rotor screws are made in Japan. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. So this is just a short informational video for others out there having problems with removing the rotor screws on your Porsche Cayman or Boxster or 911. Now, even though this car is a German car that's made in Finland, the rotor screws are a JIS standard or Japan Industry Standard. So you would need a JIS number 3 screwdriver. In this case, it's a vessel impacto screwdriver. Now, we're not sponsored by this company, but it is one of the most recommended impact screwdrivers to remove rotors. This is usually used for Hondas or Toyotas, but it really is what you need to remove the rotor screws on your rotors. So as you see, it's still brand new, so I'm gonna take it off. Okay. And even the labeling is in Japanese and it is made in Japan. I guess it is high quality. So we're gonna use this to remove the rotor screws. So according to the instructions, when you hit the head, this will move 12 degrees counterclockwise. So that's what will help from removing the rotor screws. And the screws angles are actually the perfect size for maximum contact with the screw rotors. So if you use a regular Phillips screw, sometimes it doesn't contact well, which is a result of stripping the head bolts on the screw. So let's try this right now. And as you can see, my rotors are really bad and this might take a while because I don't think this has ever been replaced. So it just took a while, but as you can see, the head of the impact screwdriver is exactly matching on the head of the rotors. So it takes a while because this was there for a long time. So you just need a little patience on removing it. So I'm gonna try to record all 4 rounds, but not all at the same time, to show you that this will help on not stripping the heads of the rotor screws when you're removing them. So that's one. We'll go on to the next one. Just like I said, just be patient. Ta-da! So another rotor screw taken off, and the head is intact because, like I said, the head of the screwdriver is perfectly matched with the rotor screw. So as you can see, it is still intact. No stripping, no broken rotor screw, and it just needs a lot of patience on removing it. I actually got tired of trying to hammer it. So I'll do the others and I'll put it on video so you can see that none of them are getting stripped off. Hope that helps. The next set of screws we are removing is the one for the front passenger screws. So these rotor screws have been here for the longest time. So now we're going to try to remove it. Hopefully we do not strip it using the vessel impact screwdriver. Okay, just like earlier, be patient when doing this, so it might take a while. You're just hammering until it loosens up. Yay! It's completely rusted on the inside, but we were able to save the rotor screw head. In you go. Next. Okay, another one saved. Like I said, you just have to be patient. And because the head or the tip of the screwdriver is exactly on the tip or the head of the rotors, it was a lot easier to remove. So, two more rotor screws saved. Okay, now we're doing the front driver rotor screws. So let's see if we're still lucky on removing them without damaging it. Oh, I forgot my hammer. Yeah, be careful. Right, yay, we saved another one.
Yes! Yes!
It almost got stripped, but we got it. I guess we need to replace this just to be safe for the future. So, on to the next one. Finally. Carefully. Oh. Okay, so there's the other rotor screw. It seems like someone over torqued it when they put this in, so I had a longer time on removing this compared to the other ones. So there you go. Very good. Okay, we're on the rear driver side wheel now, so this is the final rotors that we need to remove the rotor screw with. So let's see if we get lucky on 4 out of 4 on this. Huh, that was fast. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't even take that long, and we were able to save the head screw, and we didn't strip the head. Huh. All right, yay. We didn't strip any heads. So in conclusion, Porsche Cayman, German car, made in Finland, but the rotor screws are JIS standard, or Japan Industry Standard, number 3 screw. So whatever brand you get, just get a Japan Industry Standard screwdriver for the screw rotors, because you don't want to strip your head on your screw rotors, and you can save yourself a lot of headache and misery from removing them. I hope this helps someone out there when they're removing the rotor screws on their Porsche. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjeff, and thank you for watching.